Hi, we're here at 1721 Pebble Ridge Drive in Raleigh, North Carolina to perform a repair test on Leroy Rick's roof. This shingle right here has a wind crease atop. We will be attempting to remove that shingle and reinstall a new shingle over here without damaging any other shingles. We will start by loosening up the repair shingle right here. Obviously that one's already free as it has a wind crease. Alright, we have all of our shingles loose. Now we will attempt to do the repair. First nail out. That looks to be a good hole and looks to be something we'll be able to reuse. This one attempts to be overdriven, but we were able to get it out. There is a little bit of mat transfer on the back of this, as you can see from below. You can see things falling off. That is the mat transfer from this one as well. And there is mat on the back of this nail as well. This nail came out clean. This nail did not come out clean and once again contains mat transfer. The hole is going to be too large to try to reuse, so we will have to make a new hole for that nail. Once again, mat transfer on this nail. You see mat transfer on this nail as well. We have removed the shingle. As you can see, some of these holes are very large and will not be able to be reused, where some of them are okay, and we will be able to be reusing them. As you can see and hear, with every hit, there is massive amount of granules falling from the entire roof all the way up after every swing. And here, they are still continuing to fall, even after I have stopped swinging. I can't even sit on the roof without sliding down from granules falling.
Sounds like a waterfall every time you hit it.
Every single hit is a massive amount of degranulation to the roof. All right, we'll conclude our repair test. We will now go through and review what our shingles look like. This is our repaired shingle. Start down here with one. One seems to be good. That would be a pass. Two seems to have some degranulation that has occurred just from pounding across most of the shingle, maybe showing a previous wind crease that had not come visible yet. Same thing here with three, which will mean 2 and 3 are a fail. 4 seems to be in an okay place. 4 will pass. As we come down here though, we can see a massive amount of degranulation occurring across this shingle. This will also be a fail. You can see here, we have another massive amount of degranulation and a crease that formed from the pounding. This will also be a fail. As we continue down, you can see right here, we didn't even touch this shingle, but it has failed based off of degranulation from pounding on the roof. Number 8 seems like it would be okay and would pass the repair test. That will conclude our repair test. Thank you very much.